LEMO F-Series connectors offer a secure push-pull latching mechanism in a compact and lightweight shielded design that provides reliable connections in automotive, motorsport, aerospace, and defense applications. LEMO F-Series connectors are built for harsh environments. They can tolerate high levels of shock and vibration while maintaining electrical continuity. Are IP67 rated for use in applications exposed to water, dust, and dirt, and they can operate at up to 200 degrees Celsius, allowing for proximity to engines or other high heat sources. The LEMO F-Series are available in 8 shell sizes and over 12 shell styles. They have a dark finish, plus color coding and keying options that facilitate fast and correct mating, even in blind mating applications. They're available with up to 68 contacts, including layouts with fiber optic contacts or mixed fiber plus low voltage layouts.